Heidi ho, folks. Hope you're all doing well. Mr. Wonderful here. So today's Sunday. Well, Bear, you're through to the final 16, mate, in the old football. It's football. It's not bloody soccer, okay? So here we go. This is a custom order for somebody. 2015. And he wants it big, but which is okay because it's quite an easy one to make big. So first of all, we want to clean that edge up. I'm going to knock out the centre part. I've got a couple of these knocking around because people wanted the centre part as a ring. And I already had this, so I thought, well, why not make it into a ring? And someone wants it, so they're going to get it. Hope you're having a great weekend. Well, we've got England today playing Mexico. I can't see him. I can't see him getting through on the way they're performing at the moment. I mean, they've been so lucky at the moment, really. We're not slagging them down. They're just not, they're not playing very well. They play well for about 10 minutes and but Mexico's a different kettle of fish, isn't it? I mean, I don't know who you got next, Beer. Alright. That's pretty hot. I need to fill up my cup again soon. It's slowly evaporating. Yeah, if you're looking for a custom ring, give me a shout. I'll happily make you one. Right, we want to go. Yeah, this side's sunny side up on the ring, so this is going to go face down. We break out dimples. I don't think this ball bearing is going to go in anything else, is it? Oh, there you go. There's quite a big hole in it already. Went out for a few beers yesterday. I didn't stay late. My heart just wasn't in it. I just didn't fancy it. It's weird, isn't it? Especially me. I like going for a beer, but not yesterday. There was some Finnish rap band playing. God, they were terrible. That's probably why I didn't bother going to see it, We got there. I said to my mate, what do you want to drink? He says, nothing, I'm going back to the other pub. So we went back to the local. Oh shit, it'd be nice to take you over there, wouldn't it? I'm yakking too much, guys. Sorry. I think we need to go to the big one, don't we? Bigger than big. There you go. Yeah, it was pretty sad. The PA was shit. The music was shit. Bloody rap. Rap my arse, that's what I say. Right. So we now want to go to a 17-degree folding die. Is this one any good? Yeah, this one will do. Let's put a drop of the old, wherever it is. Right, where is it? Oh, here it is. A bit of the old jollop, make things slide around a bit easier. Let's say I just use coconut oil, but you can use whatever you want, When I get it level-ish. Not too bad. Right, let's nip back over to Big Red again. And give it a bit of love. There you go. Right. I'll break out Sandy. You just want to make sure the edge is nice and free from any cracks or splits. It's covered in bloody oil. Right. Oh yeah, this Australian ring was silver, yeah. I thought it was. I had a check and I had a few comments saying, yeah, it's silver. And what about you, Bear? You went and bought the same bloody coin. You know what they say about great minds, mate? Great minds think alike. Right, how's it looking? Yeah, that's pretty sexy. So he's got a big fingers, like bigger than mine. Let's nip on. Right, I'm going to stop the video because we're now going to go over to spike. I want to heat it up again, and I have to get the camera on spike, which sometimes is a bit of a performance. So I'll be back in a tick. Right, I'll just annealed it again. Now over to spike. If you'd like to subscribe, there's a little red button, bottom right hand corner of the video. If you don't want to subscribe, hit that as well. That's the way I tell them. Yeah, he's quite a big guy, evidently. His wife said he's got to go on a diet. Whether that's so, well, that'll probably make his fingers a bit smaller as well, won't it? Right, what size we got? Yeah, he's a bit bigger than that as well. So I break out the one and only, this thing. I've got used to using it now. I'm not struck on it, but you know, it is what it is. It just gives you the opportunity to make it bigger. If you ever buy one of these things, the first time you use it, you'll think, Jesus sweat, this is crap. Nothing but trouble. But honestly, you soon get used to it. And you think it's ruined, but it's not ruined, it does the job. It's quite clever. You just gotta get it and bang it down. See, I've got this much more to go, so it should make it bigger. Oh, baby. Right. What we got now? There you go. That's just oversized 15. Right, I think that'll do him. Yeah, it's off the scale. So, I now want to straighten up these walls. So for that we go over to the bottom end of the spike. And these are reduction dies. When you buy your spike, you get one of these reduction dies. They usually come with this type. It's okay, it works. But for the bigger coins, you need a bigger one. They're about 60, 80 bucks, I think. But the quality is amazing. There's a little bit there. Ain't too shabby. I mean, these are 17 degree as well. I'd like to get it a bit more squarer. There you go. That's squarer than a square thing. So, let's break out the one and only Dave the Dremel. We'll take out Felton John. I'm still pissed off about my new Dremel lasting about 5 minutes. We never did take it back to the shop. This just gets the fire scale off, it brightens it up a bit. It's very similar to quality over steel wool. But yeah, I think England will be packing our suitcases early tomorrow morning. I mean, hopefully not, but I can't see him beating Mexico. I mean, I'm not a hater of the England football team. I'm just a realist. I mean, Mexico are the bee's knees, you know. What am I going to say, score-wise? Because England's defence is shit. Well, it has been. Well, I don't like their new manager. God knows why they got rid of the other one, you know. You lose a game and they kick you out. He was bloody good. Anywho, I'm thinking of 4-1 to Mexico, but I'll go with 3-1. 3-1 to Mexico. We shall see. Hey, look what I bought yesterday. Ooh. Hey. No expense spared on this channel. I had to drive 10 miles to get this. And took my young lady with me. We did a bit of shopping, as you do. And I'm good from now on. I'm going to keep the lid on it. If you'd like to do me a favour and hit the like button, it costs you nothing, helps me out a bit. And most of you that watch my videos, you're not subscribed, why not? Come on, it helps me out, do something, hit a button. I don't want to start getting aggressive with you guys, but you know. Happy 4th of July, dear. What's the temperature in your place? What Washington are you living in? What one? DC or? I think you did tell me once, but I forgot. I've got a mind like a sieve. I know that, you know, the fair that everybody's not going to, it's like 110, 115 people are passing out. Crazy, eh? $115. Jesus wept. That's too bloody hot, isn't it? Right. There you go, folks. £1 £2 coin ring. Size is extra large. It fits his finger. Really good, though, to be honest with you. Hope you're having a great week. Hope you have a safe week that's coming up. Try and make someone smile in your life. And this is going to take 2 clicks now because I don't use it. So I'll press it once. It worked first time. So the rest of you can have this. Have it!